Welcome to EnglishPur, your friendly space to learn English the smart and easy way. Today, I want to talk to you about something very important. Why learning English is not hard. If you don't give up, start small, think big. English is just a language. It's not magic. It's not only for smart people. It's not only for rich or city people. It is for you. If you are ready to learn it step by step, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Speak. Make mistakes. Repeat. Many people say, I understand English, but I can't speak. Why? Because they are afraid of making mistakes. But remember, mistakes are not wrong. They are proof that you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. So, speak every day, to yourself, to a friend, in the mirror. Just speak. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Start with simple sentences. Read. Listen. Repeat. If you want to speak English fluently, you have to fill your brain with English. Watch short stories. Listen to English songs or short podcasts. Read children's books or easy articles. Follow English channels like EnglishPur. More English in your ears is equal to more English in your mouth. Be consistent, not fast. English is not a one-day game. It's like a plant. You water it daily. It grows. Just 15 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Use that time to learn 5 new words. Make 3 sentences. Read 1 paragraph aloud. Watch 1 short story with subtitles. Slow steps is equal to strong foundation. Believe in yourself. Many people give up because they think, I'm too old. I don't have time. I'm not good at languages. But let me tell you, you are smart enough, brave enough, and strong enough. If you can learn to ride a bicycle, use a mobile phone, or cook a dish, you can learn English too. Final message. My friends, English is not just a language. It's a key to better jobs, smart communication, and more confidence. You don't need to speak like British or American people. You need to speak clearly, so the world understands you. And you can do it. I believe in you. So repeat after me. I can learn English. I will learn English. Step by step, day by day, I'm getting better. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe to EnglishPur. Let's learn together. Let's grow together. See you in the next video. Bye for now, and happy learning.